Hello everyone, welcome back, and we're at Harlem 125th Street on Metro North Railroad, and we're watching the holiday trains of 2025. This is the electric. This is a train of M8. These cars usually run on the New Haven line. But they can run on all three lines, which is probably the reason they're always the ones selected. Now, as this train pulls in, I'm going to give you the opportunity to enjoy a classic M3 going the other way, which would be normally assigned to the Harlem and or Hudson lines, but because they don't have the overhead electrics, these would not be the ones that you would see with the holiday decorations. And now, for this year, they introduced a diesel and coaches, also in holiday livery. Perhaps I should mention that for Hanukkah, they usually change the colors to blue and white on these trains. And from here, it's into the New York City subway. 2nd Avenue subway at 86th Street and the New York City Transit Museum holiday train of R9s from the 1930s. Just like that, we're in the State Street subway in Chicago, Illinois. This is probably the United States' most famous mass transportation holiday train. Look at this thing. Here we're down at Cermak Chinatown Station in the early evening, where we can get some of the Chicago skyline in alongside the holiday train, as sponsored by Allstate. Over to Clark and Lake on the loop elevator. And to the right here is Fit Minds Chicago, who jointly went out doing videos with me on this occasion. Hey y'all, so I'm in Chicago and I'm visiting with Fit Mind Chicago. This is probably the best channel you could probably find if you want to know about urban mass transportation section of the public transportation industry. Here they go.
Hey.
Say hello to New York.
Hello, New York.
Hey, New York, we're coming to see you
Yeah,
soon.
we be there soon.
Yeah.
This is Adrian and Amber.
Yeah.
And right behind here is a New Flyer D40 LF, one of my favorite buses. I'm kind of wishing that she would move because I just like that horn sound from the brakes.
Yeah. She said she leaves out at 58.
Bingo, and just like that, brake sound effects.
Oh, I see it. It's coming. Yep, there it is.
One last look at the CTA's Allstate Holiday Train. It is operating here on the Purple Line, and it is now approaching the Clark and Lake Station. This is the last clip on this video. Thank you for watching. Please go visit Fit Minds Chicago. Subscribe and like. They have really good stuff on there. And on your way out, don't forget to subscribe here. Like, share, comment. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays to you and your family. See you next time.